Are you tired of being a broke artist and you want to turn your music career into business and start making money as other artists do? In this video, I'm going to break down some certain key things that you need to look up to and things you need to be doing in order for you to make sure you are making money as an independent artist. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the main video and I'll show you everything step by step. Here are the secrets you need to know as an artist in order for you to build a solid music foundation that is going to be generating you money. So one is mindset. We'll start with belief. If you believe in yourself and what you can do, you start changing your narrative as an artist to an entrepreneur. So these are the first main thing you need to do. You need to have a good mindset towards what you are doing. You must make sure that you are doing whatever you are doing well. 2. Multiple income streams. As an artist, you don't have to only depend on the revenue you are generating on Spotify, Apple Music, or any other streaming platform. You need to also look at things like selling merch, exclusive content, beat sales, featuring, teaching people what you know. Like you open a YouTube channel and start telling people what you know as you are just watching me right now doing this. So you can also do this kind of thing and also generate money as an artist. 3. Build a brand, not just a name. You understand? You need to build a good brand. People should know if they can invest in you or they can invest on what you do. Because when you have an authentic brand and you start making things and people are seeing how your brand is growing, people will start investing. People will start investing and giving you money, all those stuff. If you just brand it well and you see how it works. 4. Consistency. Consistency is the key. Going viral can be hard, but there are some certain key factors you should be doing as an artist, like what you post on your Instagram reels. You can go and look for viral content on Instagram and then you put your song as backup and then you start posting it every day. This will increase your engagement rate on your Instagram account and also give you more followers that will now come and be listening to your content. Mind you, when you are posting it, silencing the original video volume so you can add your songs and make your song to be the one people hear on that content. That is a very strategical way to also make money as an artist. Learn the business game. Understand the publishing royalties. Contact everybody that knows if something about publishing, sing licensing and every other thing. Make sure you are out there making content. When you register your song with a publishing company and every other registration is intact, the money that you are going to generate with all the activities that you are doing is going to bring you more money at the long run. So it's important for you to be doing things that engage with your song. Invest in yourself and invest in you. Yes, quality music, clean visuals and other things are what people really need to see. So if you are putting out content, make sure you take the time to know the kind of content that you want to do. You script it well. As an artist, you went out and shoot it of quality. If you don't have money to put things in quality, you can use the Instagram Reels method. I'm going to drop a link anywhere around this video. You can go and listen to what I said about how you can actually promote your song using Instagram. If you want to stop being a broke artist, the secret is simple. Start moving like you already own the industry. Apply these steps. Build slow but sure and watch your passion pays you back. If you like this video, like and comment and I'll see you in my next video.